It's the Word Gang. Got old girl outside. I think I mentioned this in the last video, but I got some steel wool. Gonna clean up these wheels, man. So you see right there, you see that difference, man, that mirror shine. That's what we're shooting for. I'll give y'all a little quick demo real quick. So check out this surface here. And then this one here, we're gonna do this top one, that's pretty bad. And this is literally all it is, man. It's just a little wiping, put a little pressure in there, go back and forth all around, you know what I'm saying? My pops put me on this when I was younger. My first car had chrome IROX on it, so had to be real good with this. Works on glass really good too. Glass, windows, and stuff like that. You see that, man? That's crazy. That's all it takes. So I'm gonna do all of these because they're not in the best shape. I know they look like it from here, but when you get close up on them, man, they got some imperfections in them. As you can see. So we're gonna see how good we can get it. Oh yeah, that's real bad right there. We're gonna see how good we can get it. And then I think I'm gonna try to hit the exhaust tips too, because those are pretty bad as well. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to save these. I'm gonna try though. I'm gonna try. So let's see real quick. Ooh-wee. Ooh-wee, I don't know. Huh? Maybe. Tap back in with y'all, man. We're gonna see. All right. Ran out of sunlight, but definitely a lot better than what they were. Still some spots, but there were some that just wasn't coming out, you know, just impurities or imperfections on the wheels forever now. But attempt was made. The attempt was made. Like I said, they look a lot better than what they did before, so I'm cool with it. So I was definitely gonna just chalk it up and say, oh, I'll just buy some, but this one was really, really bad. And as you can see, there's still some on it. But this one's chipped there and there, so I mean, not gonna be 100% perfect, but it is what it is. Let's see how it looks during the day or whatever. I mean, it's not like the paint's perfect on it either. As you can see how it's all, oh my God, yeah. Rough. But it is what it is. Should come together eventually. I have some things to sort out first. But I don't know if I showed you guys, but I cleaned the interior. So it's looking like a Corvette again. I pulled the seats up and vacuumed real good. Didn't shampoo or anything like that. And it's still dirty, you know. Not in deep, but you know, wiped everything down or whatever. It's a whole lot better than what it was. You know, just something to deal in the time being until I sort out some logistics on it. But yeah, pretty much all we're gonna do for now, I think.